question. Oh man, we have some not great events that we've been collecting data on for a while. It's essentially multiple events that are really just tracking one user action. I want to clean that up. I want to clean that up and merge them into one event that has all of that historical data. However, there's different properties on these 4 different events that are currently being triggered that I want to make into one. And essentially this like event data from these 4 different events is now going to just be a property on this new event. Is there a way or recommendation for kind of being able to still have that historical data?
Probably the two-ish ways that we could think about this would be the transformation to merge or the custom event to kind of do that like synthetic combination. Some of the
Cool.
property values, again, we'll want to see kind of like what they look like, how similar they are, etc. And if they do or do not exist. And then yeah, hiding the originals would probably be the next step. If you're on the enterprise plan too, there's a functionality called derived properties, which allow you to write a bit of regex to parse things out. So there's a couple of different options that we can explore, but part of it's probably just going to depend on like what the events in question sort of like look and feel like. So that should be a pretty easy-ish one to kind of suss out once we have the exact.
Thank you. I was not aware of kind of these derived properties that I can do kind of regex on to figure stuff out. So maybe there's something I can pull in there because I've been really banging my head against the wall again,
Yeah, no,
how
I
to
think this
make
is
these
definitely
events
a more
better.
there's not always a exact right answer to these ones. It's going to definitely be a little bit of art and science and contextual stuff on the side as
Thank you
well.
very much.
Yeah, of course.